Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright guys, back with another one. I'm back up under the hood of the Cutlass, trying to get a Kill Bill ready. Shit, Kill Bill, kill whoever. Honestly. So as I was looking up under here, I was checking out my mass airflow sensor plug, and if you look closely, there is a wire that is completely disconnected there. Completely disconnected. So you know me. I mean, with it being so close to the edge and everything, I was like, boom, go to the junkyard, I'm gonna get another plug. Ended up not even having to go to the junkyard and get another plug because I hoard shit for no reason. Had another harness. It had the same plug on there. Colors match. You got a yellow, pink, orange, and 2 blacks. Yellow, pink, orange, and 2 blacks. So I'm pretty much just gonna have to splice these here. Okay, so basically I'm gonna clip off the edge at the end of this, and then I'm gonna splice it into this. I'll probably shorten it just a little bit, you know, but yeah, that's gonna go like that, and then I'll be good to go. That way, even when I disable the mass airflow sensor, I'll still have my intake air temperature. Some people have put it up here, but as you can see, we have our shiny LXX Innovations block off plate, so we're not gonna try to repurpose that. You know what I'm saying? Also use that code 10% off LSCR LSCR free ship. You get free shipping from LXX Innovations. So yeah, we're going to get these wires separated, spliced up, wrap back up, and then cut you back on, because we need that intake temp. We do. We needs it. Alright, so the mass airflow sensor wired up is definitely responding better. I can tell the difference. I cycle back, and she's ready for murder. She's ready for murder, y'all. Partially ready for murder. Allegedly ready for murder. I just cleaned these fucking rims out the other day, and now they dirty again. Fucking rain. Supposed to rain all week. But look, fucking sunshiny skies and shit. Like it wasn't fucking hailstorm earlier today. Crazy. Bipolar ass Texas weather. So, oh yeah, I gotta show y'all what I got for this. For the antenna. As always, I can't fucking find it. Hold on. Oh, no, there you go. No. Is that it? No. Almost had it. Almost had it. Damn. Hold on, it might be in this bag. Is it in bag number 2? Yes, there it is. So we got this thing here. I got it for the, like I was going to put it on my fucking, let me show y'all. Basically, if you was in the military, you know about these. Well, something similar to these removed before flight. You know what I'm saying? So we was gonna get that, and somehow we got Excel, Mr. Gasky, QuickTime, Hayes, Lakewood on the other side. But I'm gonna try to think of some way. Actually, it flies the other way, so I guess you'd have to have some way to try to put it down here, and then let's see. Yeah, see, kind of like to where it would kind of stay up there, and then just, you know, remove before flight or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Something crazy. Or we just hang that motherfucker right there. Remove before flight. Hey. I know I'm talking my shit. But yeah, I was hot. I had to have it. So yeah, whenever that Monte Carlo that stays over there, y'all see them houses way back over there? Yeah, he know who he is. So when you want that smoke, she ready. We ain't running from nobody. Yeah. All right. What am I gonna do next? All right, y'all. So I know. Oh, my fault. This is a commercial. Hey, you. I know you're tired of sitting at home all day, sitting on the couch, watching LSC Raw 254 channel, wondering what's up under the tarp. Well, for the price of $4.99, join the membership. You get emojis, discounts, and exclusive content. Guess what some of that content is? Showing you what's up on the tarp. So, take the time today, go join the membership of the LSCR Nation and get your membership today. Or you can wait till 10,000 subscribers. Either way, man, we good. Later. All right, so we also gonna go ahead and top off trans fluid. Last time when I was running, I felt like it was having some issues. So I'm gonna just double check, make sure our fluid where it's supposed to be. Top it off. I ain't got that much in here, just a little smidget, and I know some leaked out, so. So I did change a couple parameters. Hold on. Cut that off while I explain to y'all what I changed. So when I'm logging, I changed some of the parameters. Of course, I think in the matter of importance that I think are there. Of course, engine coolant temp being number one. Oil pressure would be on here, but it doesn't log digitally. So got a gauge in the car for that. Definitely to make sure both your fans is on, intake air temperature, engine RPMs, your wideband reading, what's commanded. Technically, I don't need the equivalence ratio because it's just the AM. Count the misfires there. Idle airflow, vehicle speed, throttle position, delivered engine torque, cylinder air mass, dynamic airflow, mass airflow, all that good stuff. It's also going to let us know if we have any DTCs or check engine lights, the time in advance retard, the O2 sensors once you get them put in there. And then down here at the bottom, I got the current and history misfires, and then the emission coil control circuits. So, fire it up and see, make sure everything is logging correctly. Make sure it don't disappear. 2 is off. Intake air temp is 88. You got your RPMs commanding 4.68. That misfire is kind of running up, so that's something I gotta look into. Let's scroll on down. So if you look right here, all the ignition coil control circuits have passed, etc., etc. However, there seem to be quite a few misfires on 8, 6, and 3. Like double the amount that it is on the other ones. So that may be something that needs to be taking a closer look at. That might explain our popping and ticking and shit.